Boost Open Up 3 Activity Book Progress with Effective Habits Spain. Boosting progress in the Open Up 3 Activity Book for Spanish learners can be achieved through the cultivation of effective habits. This essay will outline practical strategies that Spanish teachers and students can implement today to enhance learning efficiency and success. Identifying the challenge. In order to address the challenge, it's essential to recognize the common pitfalls that hinder progress in the Open Up 3 Activity Book. These include inconsistent practice, insufficient review of previously learned material, and a lack of motivation or focus. Brown Hudson, 2014. Establishing a daily routine. A well-structured daily routine is crucial to maintaining a steady pace in the Open Up 3 Activity Book. Allocate specific time slots for focused study, review, and practice exercises. For instance, dedicate Monday through Wednesday to completing new lessons, Thursday to reviewing previous material, and Friday to practice tests or quizzes. Garner Alley, 2016. Implementing active learning strategies. Active learning strategies boost engagement and retention, making them ideal for the Open Up 3 Activity Book. Encourage students to participate in group discussions, role plays, and debates related to the topics covered in the book. Kirschner et al., 2006. Additionally, incorporate real-life scenarios and examples relevant to Spanish culture to make learning more engaging and memorable. Dorney Noels, 2015. Utilizing digital resources. The modern era offers a wealth of digital tools that can aid in the effective use of the Open Up 3 Activity Book. Utilize language learning apps, online forums, and educational websites to supplement the book's content and provide additional practice opportunities. Cook Bassett, 2018. Encourage students to create flashcards, quiz themselves, or engage in peer-to-peer interactions through these digital platforms. Promoting self-regulated learning. Self-regulated learning empowers students to take control of their own learning process. Foster this by encouraging students to set personal goals, monitor their progress, and adjust their study strategies accordingly. Zimmerman Kitsantas, 2005. By doing so, students become more invested in their learning journey and are more likely to persevere through challenges. Encouraging peer collaboration. Peer collaboration fosters a supportive learning environment where students can learn from one another. Organize study groups, language exchange programs, or pen-pal partnerships to encourage interaction between students. Larson Freeman Anderson, 2011. This not only enhances motivation but also provides opportunities for more diverse and meaningful practice. Motivating through gamification. Gamification, the application of game design elements in non-game contexts, can be a powerful motivational tool. Implement competitions, rewards, or progress tracking systems to engage students and make learning more enjoyable. Detterding et al., 2011. By integrating such elements into the Open Up 3 Activity Book, you can foster a sense of accomplishment and boost motivation levels among learners. Fostering a growth mindset. A growth mindset encourages students to view challenges as opportunities for learning and growth rather than obstacles. Dweck, 2006. Encourage this by praising effort over ability, providing constructive feedback, and celebrating progress made. By doing so, you can help students develop resilience, perseverance, and a positive attitude towards language learning. Monitoring and adapting. Regular assessment and adaptation of teaching strategies are essential for continued success in the Open Up 3 Activity Book. Monitor student progress through quizzes, tests, and informal assessments to identify areas of strength and weakness. Marzano et al., 2001. Adapt your teaching methods accordingly, providing additional support or challenges as needed. Cultivating a love for language learning.